Whether you're taking a long camping trip, going on an outing with your family, or even preparing for a natural disaster, our units will keep you hydrated for days using filtered water from any unimproved source.
Hello and welcome to the Portable Water Channel. My name is Lauren and today I'll be showing you how to operate an Ro2Go Nano-Pure. So let's get started.
So you just purchased your Ro2Go Nano-Pure and probably asking yourself, how do I use this and what does it do? We'll be demonstrating how to make water using tap and a pump system to produce better than bottle quality drinking water. The first thing you will notice about this system is that it's very lightweight, weighing roughly 16 pounds, which makes it easy to carry and small enough to store. This unit produces approximately 4 gallons of water per hour, or 100 gallons per day. The Ro2Go Nano-Pure does not eliminate but reduces heavy metals, lead, fluoride, arsenic, radium, and other VOCs. The 5-stage filtration system will go through the sediment filter first. Next, the water will go through the Granular Actived Carbon filter. Thirdly, the water will pass through the Reverse Osmosis Filter, which will be inside its own casing. Then the water will pass through an alkaline filter. And in the last stage of the 5-stage process, the water will pass through a post-carbon block filter. Inside the unit, you'll notice 2 very important extras. We have a safe built-in lithium iron phosphate battery with the ability to produce 12 volts with 12 amp hours, and we have a built-in 100 psi pump. Every unit comes with a package full of accessories that are needed for the process. This includes a garden hose adapter that can twist onto any standard hose. A strainer with some weighted nuggets for using the pump, an easy-to-follow instruction manual, and a 4A Life Pro charger which can run for 4 to 5 hours. On the side of the case you will notice 3 outlets: wastewater, product water, and raw water. The plugs are pushed to connect, so to remove them, simply press in the colored outlets and pull out the plug. Be sure to put them somewhere safe. For the tap water demonstration, we will be using a bucket to store the wastewater and a 5-gallon jug to store the product water, the water we will be drinking. Though you can use whatever you want to store your water. Be sure to keep the case closed and we will begin connecting our tubes. Using the garden hose connected to the adapter, insert the adapter into the raw water outlet. The raw water is the water you will be filtering. Next, take another tube and connect to the wastewater outlet. The other end will be placed in our bucket. Use one last tube to connect to the product water outlet and insert the other end into the jug. Make sure when you're inserting the tubes to push down on the colored outlets and insert all the way in until you feel a little give. Turn on your hose, and within a few seconds you'll see water exiting the waste outlet. And within a minute or 2, pure drinking water will begin filling the jug. Now we'll show you how to filter water using the pump. For this process, our black bucket is on the floor, still collecting the wastewater. We are now using a white bucket already filled with water to act as our source. Take the strainer with the weighted nuggets and insert into the water-filled bucket. Push the other end into the raw water outlet. Keep the product water line connected to the jug. On the side, you will see a switch that will turn on the battery, and in the front, you will see a switch that turns on the pump. And in moments, you can make 4 gallons or more every hour of clean, better than bottle quality drinking water. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. Check out our website in the link below, and we'll see you in the next video.